Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make white sandwich bread. So let's get started. First, heat up the milk in a saucepan or in the microwave until it's warm but not hot, between 100 and 105 degrees. Then add it into a large bowl. And add in the yeast. You can use instant or active. And sugar. Mix them to combine them. If you're using instant yeast, you can add the rest of the ingredients. If you're using active yeast, let the mixture sit for at least 10 minutes until the yeast is activated. Then add in the flour. You can use bread or all-purpose or a combination of both like I am. Salt and canola or vegetable oil. And mix them until the ingredients come together. Then turn it out onto a lightly floured work surface and knead the dough for at least 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic and to develop the gluten. Add more flour if it gets too sticky, only a little at a time. You don't want too much flour to absorb into the dough. And don't be afraid to really push hard when you're kneading. You need to develop the gluten well. The harder you work at it, the better. Use your body weight if you have to. Then lightly grease the same bowl you had the dough in before. Place the dough into the bowl. Turn it over to coat the dough in the oil. Wrap it tightly in plastic wrap. And let it rise in a warm place for 1 to 2 hours until it doubles in size. Once it's doubled in size, remove the plastic wrap. Punch it down. Lightly flour the work surface. Turn the dough out onto the surface and shape it into a rectangle. Then roll up the dough into a log. Tuck each end underneath the dough. Lightly grease a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Place the dough into the pan. Press it firmly to fit the pan. Wrap it in plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 to 1.5 hours or until it has risen about an inch above the rim of the pan. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Once it has proofed, bake it in the oven for about 45 minutes until it's nicely browned on top and it reaches an internal temperature of 190 degrees or above. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. And turn it out of the pan onto a cooling rack. And you can serve it still warm or cooled to room temperature. And that's how to make white sandwich bread. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.